92 beat him.
Yeah. Well, who are you talking to?
Alright, y'all. So I'm all packed up. I'm ready to go. Today is Saturday, the day of the actual event where everything is going on, the racing, the sliding, all the call outs. I guess they're gonna race today at the event. I'm kind of running behind schedule. It starts at 10, but I'm gonna get me something to eat. I was trying to just rest up in bed for as long as I could, because after I leave the event, I'm driving straight back to North Carolina. I'm ready to get back home, because I might go to work tomorrow whenever I get back. I don't know, it depends on how I feel. So make sure y'all go ahead and like this video, drop a green or purple emoji. When the video is over with, come back and leave another comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. Make sure y'all go get y'all merch. I do have other colors, but these black ones was one of the first shirts I made, so I got plenty of these for me. My other colors is coming in. If y'all want to see that, then I'll show that on the channel. Matter of fact, I got a red one here. Hold on. This is the red shirt. That's what I was talking about with the YouTube logo. You can still see it pretty good in the red, but like I said, I got different other colors. So y'all check it out. Alright, so as y'all seen in the other video, I had to take my YouTube banner off because it was messed up. So I called around, I don't know how many shops here, and it's like, y'all people work slow. They told me they couldn't print me no sticker until like Monday or 2 weeks. It's like, all you gotta do is print a sticker. I could put it on myself. Then I ended up going to this one shop. He was gonna charge me $178 just for a YouTube banner, and then $50 to put it on. Listen, back in North Carolina, I can get the YouTube name and the banner, the sun strip, all that for $30. So I like, nah, I'm good. But like I said, I'm ready to get back home, but also I'm ready to enjoy the event and all the people that I met, linked up with. I had fun, but I'm ready to get back to North Carolina. Make sure I ain't leaving nothing. I didn't even get up under the cover last night. I just threw it back. I fell asleep while editing. I think I got everything. I didn't even unpack. I just took out what I was gonna wear, left everything in the bag, because I was only staying one night anyway. But you know, girls, we gotta have options. Nothing in here. So if you work here and you watch my videos, you see that I left the room clean. Running late, but I'm never too late to hit y'all with that cold start. I'm about to set my camera up at the back and record the front with this camera. in and get y'all this content. So y'all, this is my very first time actually being at a real racetrack with the law. I done been to some of these little ones, but this is my first time ever been to anything official like this, so it's a new experience. And this is my first time ever being here, so new adventures, and also there's more to come. A lot of these cars I be seeing on Instagram, it's like whenever you follow car pages, you don't know what the actual people look like.
I love your car.
Appreciate it.
That's I follow you on Instagram.
What's your Instagram? I was just talking about that.
Yeah.
I see people.
I live in Virginia, so I live right there where y'all live at.
You do?
Yeah.
I was like, I see people cars, like, cause I follow them, but I don't know what face to put with them.
Yeah. I be drifting and stuff.
You do? You gon' you got the drift pass add on?
I don't think so.
You should have got it. Ooh, well, all this copyright.
Slime.
What's up,
Hey,
man? How you doing? Go ahead, hold on. Let me get you.
Over here.
Sorry.
You know,
Alright, go
dark
ahead,
skin,
go
you
ahead.
gotta get that real glow going. You know
Go ahead.
Get that shine on. But listen, man, it's your boy Pablo Service 392. I'm out here with my favorite YouTuber, Slime Pad 392, man. We out here doing our thing, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification so you get all those drops for me and her. So after you watch this video, come to my channel and watch my video. Sub, like, comment, and let's run it up.
Show them your merch. Show them your merch.
Oh, you know what it is, Pablo. You gotta flip the hair back. Come here, broski. You know, we twinning out here right now.
Okay.
Look.
You got something to shout out?
Show Pablo Savage 392. You know what I'm saying? All we're gonna do is run it up. Look, y'all do want to follow your boy, the Wolfman Mob.
Where can they find your shirts at?
Just hit me up in my DM on Instagram.
On Instagram, or put your Instagram up there too.
Comment on YouTube. I can do it from there too. And we'll put the order in and I get it shipped out to you as fast as possible. No worries.
You say as fast as possible.
As fast as
With the
possible.
bloody on the feet.
You know it. Look, I stepped in. Don't hurt him. Don't hurt him. Stop playing with her. She is not one of them.
Y'all he at Gap Fest about to drop a video about Gap Fest already. What time is it? It just started.
It just started, baby. It's enough out here right now. I bet you I got 20 minutes of content.
20 minutes,
right?
yeah, you do easily.
I know I got it.
Easy.
You can't be rushing like
Hey, I got other videos to post, so I probably won't get these videos until the end of the week.
But see,
You probably make me have to double upload.
Hey, but now that's good though, because that means you got content to carry you.
Yeah.
My content done caught up now, so I'm pushing as much as I can, as
Right.
fast as I can. So that's what it is. It's like,
That man dropping a video. All the cars ain't even got here yet.
Hey, Slime, we working though, man. I got this one. I want to get this one.
So I guess this is gonna be the car show section. He over there going live on my channel right now.
Hey, slime, he got your slime drip. You see?
He do?
He got it. Look at his slime.
Okay. He dripping.
Hey. That's a boss lady. That's nice though, brother. Good job. That's Corsa or Carbon?
Yo, I love his rap. It's like the rap is telling the story. It's different. This is YouTube.
Hey! Okay. Hey, I'm finna get us down the slide. The slide. Hey! Getting over. Florida. Check this out, man. I ain't never been in the car with a pedal box, pedal commander, none of that.
She got pedal commander on that bit, right?
She turned it on. So when
That's
we
why
went,
he was.
yeah. When we went that way, it was normal. That was me. You know what I'm saying? Big head foot ass nigga. You know I'm gonna smash that. Listen, pedal box, pedal commander. You got one, but I'm kind of scared of it.
Don't get a pedal commander. Get a pedal box.
So you got the one Hemi lifestyle.
Brand new.
Oh my God. Listen, y'all. It's so sensitive. Like, how do you even drive with it on?
I got used to it.
Yeah.
What happened?
You don't have to tap the gas. Your foot just slide just crazy. And I was trying to see what was gonna happen. If I'd have floored it, I seen them over there. But if I'd have floored it, it would have burnt out the whole way.
What?
That's how sensitive it is. And you get that instant hit, man. I might be old.
Play catch up, baby. Play catch up. Can't say jump this time, so I'm gonna let it know. She don't can't say this one.
So I hit the track. Oh, this is a real track. This ain't one of your backyard tracks. What happened? I heard it. I heard it.
Could be clutch, could be.
Ain't no 392 beat him.
Him. Well, who you talking to? Well, maybe go get that.
Hey man, he be like, you see the car, meet me on the line.
I hear you, bitch. Control that bitch. This shit just loud.
Yeah.
It's loud.
That red one.
They say he's sliding in the form.
Get busy.
Ain't this crazy, y'all? Just how my car used to look versus how it looks now.
Demonology versus Mod to Fame is about to happen. Dragging the track one quick time, so get your spots, get ready, because it's about to go down. Ironically, both cars are doing the same exact mile per hour in the roll. So it's going to be a very, very close race. So get ready, get to the stands.
They saying get ready. I was in here about to edit the video.
And then later we're going to do a dig race.
So,
Either way, it's going to be a lot of fun.
let me get out.
So racers, get to the stands.
Put my shoes back on.
Spectators, get to the stands. Car show participants, get to the stands. Because it's about to go down.
Yes, sir.